Hey guys and gals out there, this is Rockin Raffi bringing you another edition of Rockin Raffi's Home Cooking. How many of you have heard of McDonald's before, right? Yeah, I have. They're known worldwide. They're everywhere. After that long night's sleep of dreaming about the golden arches of McDonald's. So you get up and you rush down to Mickey D's and bite into a sausage McMuffin with egg. And as you're consuming it, you realize towards the end that you just consumed 480 calories and 30 grams of fat. That's almost a quarter of your daily allowance based on a 2,000 calorie daily intake. Well, don't worry, because Rockin Raffi's got you covered. And I have great news to share with all of you out there in the world. If you're on a diet or looking to save some calories, fat grams, a little bit of carbs, in a healthier version, then this episode's for you. We're making a similar sausage McMuffin with egg, but we're changing things up a bit. We're gonna make this a lower calorie, lower fat, and healthier version and calling it the Turkey Sausage McRockin Muffin with egg. Stick around because towards the end of this episode, I will have the nutritional breakdown for you in this recipe we're doing today. This breakfast consists of 4 ingredients. I decided to do this outdoors since the weather is so perfect. Not a single cloud in the sky. So what are we waiting for? Let's get McCrackin'. We are using some of the best products we can possibly find. Starting off with the turkey sausage made by Applegate. It has no artificial additives, no antibiotics, or no nitrates at all. Place our frozen turkey sausage on a preheated skillet over medium heat, turning it occasionally and cooking it for a total of 11 to 12 minutes. In the meantime, while this is getting prepared, the last 5 minutes before removing the turkey sausage from the griddle, let's go ahead and start making the eggs first. What I'm doing is I'm using egg rings. These are very inexpensive pieces of equipment that you could actually use, perfect for making the perfect circular eggs. Not to mention, if you wanted to, pancakes as well. So we'll start off with 2 of these, and what we're going to end up doing is you want to coat it with some non-stick butter spray. I'm going to get the insides very well so that it does not stick when you're putting the egg inside. We've got 2 eggs, 2 rings. Let's get cracking. While this is getting prepared, let's head on in and grab that English muffin, throw it in the toaster, and get that prepared. Let's go ahead and add some salt and pepper. Wow, the eggs are looking really good. The sausage, let's take a look. Let's flip it one more time. Looking nice, it's getting its nice color that it needs. Perfect. And what you want to do with the egg yolk as well is you want to kind of break it in the middle just to basically have it separating out throughout the whole thing. Okay, so we've got our English muffin ready to go. We've got some cheese. Let's put some cheese on first. This is the way they do it. Next thing they do is they add sausage right on top of that. And last but not least, the egg, the most important part of assembling all of this together. Now that is a perfect egg if I've ever seen one. And there you have it, the turkey sausage McRockin Muffin with egg. Can't wait to bite into this. The savory taste of the turkey sausage is out of this world. The nooks and crannies of this Thomas's English muffin, let me tell you, this is the way this is meant to be eaten. Not soft and soggy like McDonald's does it. Theirs is nice and soft. Well, that's because they added a lot of butter to each side of the bread. So we didn't do that here. We're getting their actual original flavor of the English muffin with the nooks and the crannies that we can hear and taste and feel so good. Well, that just wraps up today's episode. And if you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this healthy version of a sausage McMuffin with egg. Share with all your friends and family. And last but not least, don't forget to click that bell. That bell is there to notify you when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on, wait a second, we forgot something. That's right, the nutritional breakdown, what you guys have been waiting for. And here it is, starting with McDonald's. They will give you 480 calories, 30 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 21 grams of protein. We made the turkey sausage Rockin Muffin with egg, 265 calories, 11.5 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. And that wrapped up today's episode. And until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy, and most of all, keep on rocking.